Want to write quality business articles? Start building your business one article at a time. I'm sure you're reading all over the internet that content is one of the most important components of building your business, and in my opinion, I agree that writing an article and posting it throughout the internet is an essential way to finding your desired targeted traffic. If you have never written business articles before, you have to remember key things to make sure your article is a success and attracts the readers searching for your information. Take the approach of writing one article at a time, and don't worry about how many you need to create to get the exposure. Just like developing a business plan, you want to ensure that you do all your necessary research, compile it in an easy-to-read format that you know will allow your readers to follow without losing the message halfway through. I read so many business articles that lose me by the second paragraph, because I notice their intentions are to promote their business and not offer any valuable information that I'm seeking to help me. This may be done intentionally, but sometimes I truly feel these writers are trying to do too much in such little time, and they want to produce and send out as much as they can at one time, not realizing that they are compromising the quality of their article and the message they want to get out to the readers. If you're in business for a short term, that's fine, you can produce useless content and spread it throughout the internet. However, in my opinion, I would rather take the time and create an article that when someone reads it, they will say that it helped them in some way. Your expertise, and if you're promoting a website business, can be jeopardized very quickly, so don't ever underestimate the people reading your article. They have vast knowledge already, they do their research, but sometimes they need that little bit of information to get them back on track, and if you can provide them the information they're looking for, your one article will be on its way to being very successful. Once you've finally developed that keyword-rich, informative article explaining how your business products can help make people's lives so much better, you will also notice that your well-written business articles will be quickly picked up by some of the top e-zine and content publishers. This is important, because you want to get your message out to as many people as you can, and this is achieved by sending them to top directories that distribute your content for you. If you create a poorly written article, chances are these content directories will not touch it. This is a very good indication that your company has to go back to the drawing board and start revamping your article. When you take the time to create an article that many readers will take your information and use it to help them better their lives, you will have achieved something that many bad article writers don't, and that's business authority and respect. In the long run, if you stick to developing more value-based articles rather than a large volume of badly written articles, you will surely build a successful foundation for your business for many years to come.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.